So you are being asked to find the product of x plus 4 times x plus 2. So you're multiplying two binomials together. Now, obviously, you can't combine x plus 4 and x plus 2 and then multiply them because they're not like terms. So we're going to use something called a box method. We're going to use the idea of area to multiply these binomials together. So we took the first term, x plus 4, and we broke it up into two pieces, x plus 4, and that becomes the top of our box. Then we are going to take x plus 2 and make it the sides of our box. And we're going to find the area of each individual piece and then add it together. So what I mean by that is the box in the top left, obviously the width is x and the length is x. We can see that right there. X times x, because that's how you find the area. So of course the base times height is going to be x squared for that little piece of the box. Then our box to the top right has a width of 4, and it's going to have the same length here as the x because it's right across from this x, which means its length is also going to be x. So to find its area, 4 times x is of course 4x. Then I'm going to look at the bottom left-hand sided box. So the length of this box is 2. And the width is the same as up here, right? Because if the top is x, then the bottom is x. So the area of this box would be 2 times x, which would be 2x. And last but not least, the bottom right, so the width would be 4, because the one up here at the top was 4. It's a rectangle, so if the top was 4, the bottom is going to be 4. And if this side was 2, that means that this side has to be 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. So we found each individual area, and now we're going to add them together. So x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. We've got a few like terms, or two that we can combine. So that 4x plus the 2x will give us 6x. And just bring everything else down. So we have just multiplied x plus 2 and x plus 4 by breaking it up into 4 separate multiplication problems and then combining our like terms. So try this example. Try a couple practice problems on your own, and hopefully what you're going to see is as you're working through the problems, you're going to start to notice a pattern, which should turn up shortly.